Here's how to use OnePay Later at Walmart in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide what to check first, which Walmart purchases qualify, and how to complete checkout with an approved payment plan. OnePay Later involves financing, so review the payment terms, APR, and total cost before accepting any plan. First, open walmart.com, the Walmart app, or shop at the Walmart store. Add the items you want and open your cart. Check that your purchase is between $25 and $6,000. Then proceed to checkout and look for OnePay Later among the available payment methods. If it does not appear, your order or account may not be eligible. Next, select OnePay Later and complete the requested application information. Your eligibility is reviewed through Klarna and approval is not guaranteed. Once approved, you may see up to 3 payment plans. Review each option for the payment amount, repayment term, APR, and total interest. Monthly financing can have an APR from 9.99% to 35.99% depending on your offer. Then, check what actually qualifies before choosing a plan. Eligible purchases can include electronics, entertainment, home items, apparel, jewelry, automotive products, sporting goods, lawn and garden, toys, and durable baby goods. After that, check your cart for excluded items. Groceries, food, gasoline, gift cards, alcohol, tobacco, pharmacy items, health and wellness products, personal care, money services, and weapons are excluded. Now, choose the payment plan you can afford and complete the Walmart checkout. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open the OnePay app, check your transaction history, and look for a purchase labeled Swipe for X dollar back. Select it, review the available plan, and apply if eligible. Eligible purchases can generally be converted within 7 days of settlement. Once everything is set, the Walmart purchase will be completed using your approved OnePay Later financing, and you can manage the resulting loan through OnePay. Following these simple steps makes using OnePay Later at Walmart quick and easy.